Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get your WhatsApp backup from the iCloud to your the Android phone. Now if you are looking for any free way to transfer it simply from the iPhone to your Android device, you won't be able to do it. Like there are different websites who will tell you to do this or that. You can just cannot do it. Now there are some third party tools which you can buy and buy the subscription and they can help you transfer data. Now, one of them is iMyFone. You can just buy this tool, and after that, you can just connect. You can just back up your WhatsApp on the iPhone. After that, connect your mobile phone. Just turn on this software. Connect your the Android and the iPhone as well. And after that, you can just choose the option of recovering from device, the recover, deleted WhatsApp messages, and everything. So all the data will be transferred from your iPhone to the Android, including your WhatsApp data as well. You can just specifically select the data as well, like you just want to transfer the WhatsApp or anything that is like in your mobile phone. So this process is pretty simple. Make sure to get a backup on the iPhone. Like about this one, you can just go to chats, chat backup, and backup now, and you just make sure that you have backed up your WhatsApp on the iPhone. After that, connect your and iPhone and Androids at the same time. Let me just open the website of the software as well. So basically, this is the tool that you can use to transfer your data, either it is WhatsApp or any other data from the iPhone to Android or Android to iPhone. So you can just download it. This is a paid tool. Remember, if you're looking for any free way, you won't be able to do it. As you can see, like this tool is pretty much expensive. So if you really want to buy, you can just buy it, try it. If your data is really important, if not, you can just simply install the a new version or the without backup into your Android phone. So that is all about either you can transfer WhatsApp from iCloud to Android or not.